Okay guys, so our homework today is kind of a refresher on 6.4G, which is multiplying, dividing, fraction, decimal, percent conversions. So I'm going to refresh our notes on this. From fraction to decimal, you're going to change the fraction by dividing the numerator by the denominator. And then to change a decimal to percent, you're going to multiply by 100. And then if you go backwards from that, by changing a percent back to a decimal, you're going to divide by 100. Then to change a decimal to a fraction, you're going to rewrite it as a fraction with the denominator equivalent to the place value. And then in order to change a percent to a fraction, you're just going to rewrite the percent over 100, and then you're going to simplify it. So on the homework for tonight, it says a waiter earned 22% tip. What decimal is equivalent to this? This is going from a percent to a decimal. So if you're going from a percent to a decimal, our notes say that you're going to divide by 100. So you're going to take and divide 22 by 100. Number 2, this should say number 2. It says Bridget spent $17 of the 24 in her wallet, which decimal rounded to the nearest 100th. This, should say thousandth, because these all go to the thousandths place. Represents the fraction of the $24 spent. So you're going to have your fraction, which is your part of 17 that she spent, over your total amount that's in there, and then you're going to change that and divide 17 by 24. It's going to give you a really long decimal, but you're going to stop and look at your thousandths place and then look at the 10,000ths place, and that's going to tell you if you if it's 5 or more, you raise the score. Sorry, my light went out in my classroom. If it's 4 or less, you let it rest. Okay, number 3, it says what ratio and percent of the following model is shaded? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 that are shaded. And my total number in here is 9 total. So it says what ratio and percent of the following model is shaded. So if I have 6 out of 9, you're going to need to change your 6 out of 9 to a percent by changing it to a decimal first. So 6 divided by 9. Then you're going to take that answer and you're going to multiply it by 100 to get your percent. Okay guys, I hope that's helpful. If you need any help with this, please let me know. I am available through Remind, or you can send me a message via email. Have a good day, guys. Bye.